Hello guys, we have another video about differential calculus, but this time we will do product rule. So dito, as you can see, this is for the formula for product rule. That's the derivative of your u times v is equal to u dv over dx plus v du over dx. So we have here a function f of x is equal to 3x squared times the quantity x cubed plus 1 raised to 7. So we will identify first our u and our v. So itong si 3x squared, siya ang ating u. At saka ito namang si x cubed plus 1 raised to 7, siya yung ating magiging v. So ngayon, isusulat natin siya based dito sa formula natin. So sa formula, that's u. So copy natin si u, si 3x squared times the derivative of your v, which is c, x cubed plus 1 raised to 7 over dx plus yung ating v, which is si x cubed, copy lang natin, okay, raised to 7 times the derivative of our u, which is 3x squared, ayan, over dx. So next ay ikakopy lang natin si 3x squared. Okay? And now we will take the derivative of x cubed plus 1. So itong 7 magiging coefficient. So imo-multiply natin siya dyan. Tapos copy po kung ano po yung nasa loob ng parenthesis. So x cubed plus 1. Tapos 7 minus 1. So magiging 6. Tapos, we will take the derivative kung ano yung nasa parenthesis, which is si x cubed plus 1. So, ang derivative niyan is 3x squared. And take note, the derivative of a constant is 0. So, wag nating lagyan na lang ng 0. Plus, tapos ito, copy natin siya, no? Kasi we will not take the derivative of that. So, 3x cubed plus 1 raised to 7. Now, we will take the derivative of 3x squared. Ito, so, magiging ito 2, magiging coefficient siya. So, 2 times 3, that's 6. Tapos x, tapos itong 2 minus 1, magiging 1. Okay? Ayan siya. So, ngayon, isi-simplify na natin yung ating answer. Makikita natin dito may 3, may 7, at saka may 3 ulit. So, i-multiply na natin yan. So, that's 3 times 7 times 3, that's 63. Ayan. Tapos, makikita din natin dito na may x squared at saka meron ding x squared dito. So, ma-apply natin ang properties of exponent. So, if we will multiply x squared, kasi nga multiply naman yan lahat yung operation, dito na side, ito, dito na side, multiply yung operation nila. So, x squared times x squared. Take note, if same base, by properties of exponent, ma-add po yung ating mga exponent. So, magiging x raised to 4. So, ilalagay natin yan katabi ni 63. Ayan. At ito naman, x cubed plus 1 raised to 6, ikakopy lang po natin kasi hindi po natin yan pwedeng i-multiply dito sa 63 x raised to 4. Kasi meron po itong exponent na 6. Okay? Yan. So, copy natin yung plus. Tapos, dito naman tayo, sa second, copy lang natin si x cubed plus 1 raised to 7. Ayan siya, plus 1 raised to 7. Plus, of course, si 6x. Okay, so meron na po tayong answer. Pero, pwede pa po natin i-simplify further. Pwede nating i-factor kung meron tayong pwedeng i-factor. So, ang final answer po niyan ay, i-factor natin siya. So, we have to find the common, kung ano po yung common sa dalawa. So, dito, meron siyang x cubed. Ito, x cubed plus 1 raised to 6. Dito, meron siyang x cubed plus 1 raised to 7. 6 na x cubed plus 1. Dito, 7 na x cubed plus 1. So, may common sila, x cubed plus 1. So, yun po yung ilalabas natin. So, ilalabas natin si x cubed plus 1 at ilalabas natin yung mas may maliit na exponent. Okay, so 6 yung ilalabas natin, si x cubed plus 1 raised to 6. Meron pa tayong common ni 63 at saka ni 6. Yan. Common nila is 3. So, ilalabas natin din si 3. So, maglalagay tayo ng 3 dito. Okay? So, i-rewrite ko lang po yan mamaya. Tapos, ano pa? Meron pa. Ito, sa kabila may x. Sa kabila may x cube. So, ilalabas natin si x. Okay? Isang x lang. Ayan siya. Tapos, multiplyan natin kung ano yung natitira dito, for example. Okay? So, example, dito na side, anong natira? Okay, so x 63 divided by 3 is 21. Diba? Okay, 21. May x dito, x to the fourth divided by x is x cubed. Kasi sa properties of exponent, if you divide them, same base, yung exponent niya, mama-minus. Okay? Or subtraction. Tapos, ito inilabas na natin, so times 1 na lang. Or you can, pwede nang hindi lagyan ng times 1. Plus, dito naman, di ba naglabas tayo ng 6, so meron pang isang natira kasi 7 yan. So, lagyan natin x cubed plus 1. Tapos, 6 divided by 3, 2. Tapos, x divided by x is 1. So, yan lang po yung natira. Okay? Lagyan natin siya bracket. Make sure na pag mag-factor po kayo, if you will multiply this again on the inside sa bracket nyo, ang kalalabasan po niya ay itong nasa taas. Okay? So, yun. So, ngayon, i-rewrite na lang natin siya or itong nasa bracket, we can ano pa, no? Ayan, simplify further pa. So, isi-simplify ko muna itong nasa bracket. Ito sila. So, that's 21x cubed. So, ito, i-distribute natin si 2 ni x cubed. So, magiging 2x cubed. Tapos, 2 times 1. Ito, that's plus 2. So, as you can see, x cubed. So, ma-add po natin yan. So, magiging 23x cubed plus 2. Tapos, ito, copy na lang natin. So, the final answer now is 3x times x cubed plus 1 raised to 6. So, as you can see, kinapi lang natin. And ito po. So, ilagay po natin yan. 23x cubed plus